Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 LR2. It's acceptably comfortable, and the LR2 is very impressive off-road and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, heated seats, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.